Hey. Oh, don't hold anything. Okay. We're gonna get our horse before sundown. Don't worry about it. Hey, nice horsey. I thought that was left click. You are very right. I'm sorry. Hi, horsey. No, come back, horsey. Oh, you don't like me. Come on, I gotta eat. Do you want to eat? I have food. Do you want food? I got a potato. We'll be friends. I know we will. Oh, you have to assert dominance. I see. Well, I'm gonna sleep because I don't like the sounds that are happening around me. Putty. Okay. Good night. Is that not a potato? Oh, it was bread. I understand. Okay. Alright. Round 2. Hey! Yeah? Come on! Oi! Nice horsey. Nice horsey. She has accepted me. How do I get off? I want to get off the ride. How do I get off the ride? Dismount. No. Aha. Dun. Yeah! Now we're zooming. Alright. This is good. We got a horse. I gotta kill some stuff here. What do we need? Let's kill these sheep. No, let's kill these pigs. We're gonna need some food. Don't worry. Hello. Nom. Pork. Such a lucky start. It's because the game knew. The game said, "Really, Gura? You're gonna build underwater? Serious?" No, don't worry. Horse and I are best friends, guys. Don't worry. The horse will be there when I get back. See? Horse. Hoocha. Off we go to find some. What are we looking for? Ocean. Hey, what do horses eat, by the way, guys? What do horses eat? Oh, chickens. Oh, you're fast, aren't you? Come here. This is for science. This is merely for science. Alright, we have enough food. We're good.